up here, and we obviously gotta get this on film. Yes, Cheryl, of course, you're part of the team. Yes, the team, Rudy Mitsubishi team. Lady, you're part of the team. We know where Bobby gets all the ideas from. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We know who the real boss is, alright? Everybody knows, Friday morning, you know? I'm going over the plans with the boss. That's my wife. And on Sundays too. You know, she gives me pop. Alright, so Mitsubishi's in the house. You guys all give it up for Mr. Kevin Mitsubishi, guys. He will not miss this. He will not miss this. He told me you cannot miss it, okay? We're like his favorite dealer. We don't tell anybody, alright?
That's true.
No, we're gonna keep that out off there. We'll bleep it out, not really, but we have a surprise for us, all right, and for the team. So, guys, this is your hard work, all right, Kevin. So take it away.
Hey guys, listen. Thank you very much for having me here.
Of course.
It's great. It's great to be associated with Brooklyn Mitsubishi. It's really been a great year. We've doubled the sales. You guys have doubled. And in the months of July, August, and September, you were the #1 dealer in the district. Selling 232 cars in 3 months.
Just so we're clear, they're Mitsubishi, not Toyotas, all right?
Now the key thing is in there, in that month of August, we sold over 100 units, over 100 new Mitsubishi. Now that is something. That's something to strive for. So for that, we have an award banner here for you guys. Thank you very much. #1, Mitsubishi. Thank you very much,
Guys, we want to tell Kevin that we're not going to stop until we come the #1 Mitsubishi dealership in the country, damn it! All right, so the best is yet to come. Like I tell you guys earned it. Take pictures with it. Be proud of it because your hard work paid off, all right? Kevin, thank you again. Mr. Bobby Chanalambos, you want to say something? No, let's party, guys. Bobby said let's party.